Hello my people, welcome to Glatory. Today I'll be showing you how I made this Agidi Jollof with cornstarch. This is very easy and this is very easy process. You can make it on your own. Here I use the cornstarch. I'll be adding water to my cornstarch and I'll be mixing it until all is dissolved. So some people might be asking why using cornstarch. Cornstarch is the same as pap. The only difference between the two is that the pap is fermented while cornstarch is not fermented. But cornstarch is what they use in making custard. So here I'm adding my hot water to thicken it up. So why this process is good is that you'll be sure there will be no lump on your agidi no matter how long you cook it. At least you can get rid of it at this time and then continue your cooking. So I decided to change my spoon into spatula, wooden spatula. So I prefer to use it because it makes the turning easier. I'll add more water and cover it and let it simmer for 5 minutes. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. Please remember to subscribe to Glatory and follow my page on Facebook at Glatory Flavors. You tend nothing to lose. You will gain a lot of knowledge following me and watching my videos. So for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. Please remember to comment, share, like my video, and share them to your friends and families. I hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy. Here I'm checking if my agidi is ready. It's very firm now. It's ready for me to start adding my ingredients. I added crayfish, my blended crayfish, and I'll be mixing it to well combine. And I added my already made stew with bones. This is very easy recipe and you will enjoy it. Don't limit yourself because you don't have pap. Your cornstarch is good to go and you will love it. You can see it came out so well and it tastes so yummy. Here I'll allow it to simmer for some time, then I'll start molding it. Here I'll be using the leaf. Chinese call it sonji leaf. So this is my first time using this leaf, but I think I'm trying my best and I did a good job. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. Please don't forget to like my video, love it, share and comment. It has a long way encouraging me on this journey. I did the rest off camera. As you can see, it's ready. So I'm gonna try it out. You just allow it to set for 2 hours and your Agidi Jollof is ready for consumption. You can see it looks good. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy. You can make it. You don't need to wait for pap anymore. Use your cornstarch to do it. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.